Today I am going to unboxing Redmi Note 9 Pro. This is 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant, and this is Indian version. So let's open the box. So at first open the box, we get SIM editor tool, and this is back cover and some paperwork. And this is our Glazer white Redmi Note 9 Pro. So now I am going to power it on, setting the phone to the side for a second. Next we get 18W fast charger. And this is USB Type-C USB cable. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 6.67-inch display, 1080x214 pixel, 84.5 skin to body ratio, and out of the box this phone running MIUI 12.0.1 and Android version 10. This is come with 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Redmi Note 9 Pro review coming very soon, so subscribe right now and press the bell icon. You can unlock your phone fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Fingerprint scanner is speed very fast, and face unlock is speed also very fast. So this is all about Redmi Note 9 Pro unboxing 2021. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.